Hi. कुछ दिन पहले I came across a very very different kind of an idea, which came from a field which I never thought of. कि उसमें भी कुछ innovation हो सकता है. Trucks and loading and taking your stuff from one place to another. And that is when I met Sahil and Ashish ji to understand कि ये क्या करते हैं. I found it innovative. Let's understand from them कि क्या करते हैं और क्यों करते हैं.
So, first of all, thank you so much for having us here, right? So, Reroute basically is an truck aggregator platform which provides loads to the onboarded trucks, right? So, we are actually trying to solve truckers' problem of getting return loads and trying to provide them ease of life. So, this is what the space we are into.
Wow, an interesting name, Reroute.
Yes.
So you help truckers as in वो जो truck चलाते हैं.
Yes, we actually mean the people who actually run the truck, the drivers, and their vehicle owners, their owners actually.
The vehicle owners, definitely they also have a lot of problems, I'm sure. क्योंकि ट्रक चलाने वालों की तो अपनी प्रॉब्लम है कि कहाँ ढाबा मिलेगा या कहाँ नहीं मिलेगा, बट आई एम श्योर कि ट्रक ओनर्स की अपनी प्रॉब्लम होती होगी. दे हैव टू मैनेज अ लॉन्ग फ्लीट. I mean, you were telling me something about it, Sahil, that was interesting.
So I think majorly the problem with these kind of people, how drivers are living their lives, highway पे पूरे टाइम पे रहना, खाना नहीं मिलना, और सबसे बड़ी जो इन लोगों के लिए प्रॉब्लम है कि किसी भी सिटी में जाना होता है. आई थिंक फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, फ्रॉम कन्याकुमारी टू एनी बॉर्डर्स, नेपाल बॉर्डर समवेयर, इन लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि हम लोग घर वापस कब आएंगे. So I think just trying to solve that problem for them, we came across this, and now I think we are trying to make a history on this. So I think truckers के लिए जो major problem है इस industry की, किसी भी city में जाना और वहाँ से उनको return load नहीं मिलता. So I think this is what we are trying to come up just to provide whenever the truck is available in any city, उनको वहाँ से हम लोग return load provide कराना है. This is what we are trying to come up.
तो नॉर्मली एक ट्रकर के पास में कितने ट्रक्स होते हैं?
एक भी हो सकता है जो खुद ट्रक ओनर और ड्राइवर भी होता है, और हो सकता है उसके पास 800 भी हो, 1000 भी हो, 5000 भी.
800,000 ट्रक्स एक आदमी के पास में होना और उसको मैनेज करना completely. So you're doing it completely through technology?
We are definitely trying to do it everything with technology. We are actually bringing lot of automation in place, right? Making truckers' life easy while handling all these on-road operations. This is basically we are trying to bring a change about.
ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया? आई मीन आई नॉट दैट आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड इट, क्योंकि जब आपका ट्रांसफर होता है, आप सामान या घर शिफ्ट कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रकर्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, एंड इट इज़ अ टास्क टू फाइंड वन. बट वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस आइडिया फ्रॉम? आई थिंक यू बीन इनटू जॉब्स अर्लियर.
Correct.
तो
So,
आप
I have spent almost 10 years in corporate. So my last stint was with delivery, where this idea actually got developed, I would say. And thanks to COVID, we actually got an opportunity to work from home, and that's where we started working on this idea, right? And that's how this journey started. Yeah.
So COVID made Ashish ji an entrepreneur. Sahil?
I think it is a similar kind of story for me also, and it is the same time when eventually we got this idea, right? So during the COVID time, I was in Bangalore, and fortunately I got a chance to come back to my home city. Just like few colleagues and few background from my family, right? Transportation में थोड़ा networking और वो था, तो काफ़ी लोगों का कुछ requirement आया कि यार मेरे को मेरे घर से सामान, घर का सामान शिफ्ट करना है अपनी होम सिटी में. Few of them were like यार they were not getting any options or help on that, so I helped them and get the transportation help for them just to transport their household goods to their home cities. At that point of time I realized कि यार ये कितनी बड़ी problem है और how difficult it is to book a truck for them. तो उस टाइम पे मेरे को hit हुआ, and then we of course I discussed with Ashish ji and say कि यार क्या कर सकते हैं, and then we got on ground, and then eventually we started booking.
So now I can book a truck from your app.
Yes.
I will be able to send my goods only by booking through your app. That's like an Uber.
Yes, it is kind of Uber. It is a ease of life feature what we are trying to give any customer. मतलब the vision is like that कि yes, it should be that easy to book a truck with all the documents, all the trust, everything.
That's really amazing to see कि हम बहुत जल्दी ट्रक्स भी ऐप से बुक करेंगे और जो हमारे ट्रकर्स हैं जो नॉर्मली जिसके पास 500 to 800 ट्रक्स होते हैं वो भी अपनी पूरी फ्लीट को मैनेज कर सकेंगे थ्रू वन ऐप. इट्स अम्यूजिंग टू नो कि कैसे आप अपना ट्रक बुक कर सकते हैं, उसको री रूट कर सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन ट्रैक एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर ट्रक विद एन ऐप. तो आज कितने ट्रक चल रहे हैं हमारे ऐप पे?
So basically, talking about numbers, we have approximately 4,500 trucks onboarded with us, right? Coming to truckers, the people who are actually managing all these trucks, we have approximately 300 plus truckers associated with us and getting loads, on a daily basis from us. Coming to revenue, so we have already we had clocked 4 CR in the previous year. We are trying to chase approximately 10 to 11 CR this year. And retention is where we are actually focusing on. We have been able to very successful, I would say, in terms of getting repeat loads to the people, right? So the traction has been amazing for us during this journey, and we are very ambitious about the further numbers as well.
Wow, I mean, it's amazing to hear कि not only about fashion, not only about your food, but it's about your truck that you talk about repeat customers and referrals. That's pretty interesting. So Sahil, what do you feel about it? I mean, how does your typical day go like? How do you begin your day?
I think the first thing what I'll check is कि what is the traction I'm getting on my application. How many trucks have been booked? कितने लोगों को जो मैं रिटर्न लोड जो हम लोग फोकस करते हैं, हम लोग वापस ट्रक्स कितने कर पाए हैं, हम लोग नए कितने लोग जोड़ पाए हैं, कितने ट्रकर्स को हम लोग नए रोज ऑन बोर्ड कर पाए. आई थिंक विच गिव्स मी अ मोटिवेशन एंड विच इज द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई डू.
Wow, so breaking charts across the country from Jaipur. कहाँ हमारे ट्रक जाते हैं?
आई थिंक इट्स पैन इंडिया. व्हाटएवर सिटी यू नेम. आई थिंक ज्योग्राफी में कभी मैंने इतनी सिटीज नहीं पढ़ी थी जितनी मैंने लास्ट 2 साल के अंदर मुझे इतनी सिटीज का नाम पता चल गया.
Interesting, yeah. So you do this only to understand geography and to ease the truckload, or it is something more about it? Because entrepreneurs normally talk about a lot of vision and lot of growth aspects. So Ashish ji, आपका क्या कहना है?
So basically, when we started, we were very random in terms of doing this business, right? Our idea actually got developed after few weeks or months, I would say, when we actually tried to understand this industry as a whole, right? We actually found out there are a lot of challenges in terms of truckers' life. As a macro, if I have to discuss, the country is concerned about having this logistic cost at very high level, right? So we started working on small problems, which actually took us to certain level where we can actually think about more and more about this industry and go deep into the problems that we are trying to solve today.
So you've been able to solve many problems with one app. That is what you're trying to say.
That is what we are trying to do, and of course we'll try to bring more efforts into it.
तो साहिल, घर में कैसी बातें होती हैं? ट्रक की बात ज्यादा होती है, ट्रक के नंबर्स की बात ज्यादा होती है, या ज्योग्राफीज की बात ज्यादा होती है?
तो सपने भी वैसे यही आते हैं कि गाड़ियाँ कहाँ पहुँच गई हैं, सब ठीक ठाक पहुँच गई हैं, नहीं पहुँच गई हैं. तो मेजरली एनवायरनमेंट घर का भी थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो रहा है कि यार हाउ थिंग्स आर. एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक एक्साइटेड नाउ कि यार आज क्या नया कर रहे हो, आज क्या नया करने की सोच रहे हो, या अब आगे कैसे क्या नंबर चलने वाला है, अब क्या होने वाला है. मतलब whatever the few USPs और how we are trying to do a data driven approach, और तो उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बातें होती हैं.
So coming from a corporate job, shifting to making a product, I'm sure the journey would have been tough. शुरुआत में तो लोग मानते भी नहीं है, सुनते भी नहीं है, समझते नहीं है. Forget others, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. But today when we talk about numbers, they do talk about their grit and the resilience that they have shown into their business. और रोज नया कुछ सुनने को मिलता है, और अब तो हजारों से, लाखों से, करोड़ों भी सुनने को मिलता है. So that's how we are growing. Where do you look at this industry of logistics or rerouting? Where do you want to take it? आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या future है, क्या scope है इसका?
So as you're aware, the TAM for this particular industry is so big, but the industry is still not organized, right? When I say it is not organized, bigger companies like Delhivery, TCI, Gati, these people have put in a lot of effort, but still there is a lot of scope to bring more organization to it, right? So we want to since our area of operation or our area of specialization was full truck road. We want to take this to a great level where we can actually solve FTL problem first, then move to warehousing, other logistic problems, right? So yeah, we are very ambitious about solving this problem, and yeah, we are very happy that we could achieve this much till today. Even this is day zero for us, and we are just getting started.
Wow, looking at day zero मुझे याद आता है साहिल, I was traveling to I mean Japan या US, अगर हम जाते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि the trucks shine a lot and people have a different perspective about trucking and rerouting and things. तो आपको क्या लगता है, क्या इंडिया में कुछ बदलेगा?
Of course, I think the startups, like why we are trying to bring this into this is कि Nitin Gadkari also said, right, कि हर ट्रक के अंदर एसी होना चाहिए ड्राइवर के लिए. हर गाड़ी में हो सकता है तो उनके लिए क्यों नहीं हो सकता? तो आई थिंक द विजन व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैरी फॉर देम आल्सो इज दिस कि हम लोग इसमें कैसे सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. इन अदर कंट्रीज, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट, जो पहले आशीष जी भी बात कर रहे थे, आई थिंक इंडिया लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉस्ट इज वेरी हाई. आई थिंक विच वी विल हेल्प देम टू रिड्यूस. शायद थोड़ा सा ही इम्पैक्ट लेके आ पाए इनिशियल, बट येस द विजन इज टू बी देयर. One. The next is कि people in other countries want to be, they pursue truck drivery as a passion or there as a career. But why not in India? It becomes a taboo here कि यार ये truck driver है, यार ये करता है. Because the facilities or the kind of things we are not giving in this industry. Nobody is focusing on that. So yet we come here and say yes, we'll try to help them and evolve them better.
That's a great vision to have कि नॉर्मली हम उस एरिया में जाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं जहाँ ट्रक खड़े होते हैं बहुत सारे, या ट्रक्स लोड होते हैं, अनलोड होते हैं. देयर लाइफ इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ वेरी सेपरेट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी. बट जब आप लोग उसको टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे तो आई एम श्योर देयर विल लॉट दैट इज चेंजिंग. तो आपके हिसाब से व्हाट इज वन थिंग दैट यू आर वांटिंग टू चेंज, आशीष?
I guess there has to be lot of operational efficiencies in place in this particular industry, right? So there are a lot of manual things happening. The processes are too manual till today, right? Even though we have seen a great technology evolution, right? So we want to bring more operational efficiencies, more processes, more standardization in the system, right? So that people are aware what they are trying to do, right? People should not be ambiguous about what actually they are trying to do and what they are trying to build. So we want to bring lot of clarity that this is what we want to achieve, right? So standardization, process driven approach, data driven approach is something
transparency into the system.
This is what we would try to bring in the system. Yes.
And with transparency definitely comes, as he says, profits, financial benefits. So I mean, any of your situation where a trucker, your client or someone would have said you something and really made your day, आपने घर जाके बताया हो ऐसी कोई situation, साहिल?
Of course, I think सबके लिए ना दिवाली, जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स और ये होते हैं, इनका दिवाली टाइम बहुत पीक होता है. And I think the problem these manufacturers or the shippers face are कि availability of trucks are sometimes very difficult during this time. उस टाइम पे उनका माल वहाँ सही टाइम पे पहुँचना, प्लस किसी गाड़ी में 4 करोड़ 5 करोड़ 50 करोड़ का भी माल जाता है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कॉपर हो गया है, कुछ हो गया, तो वहाँ पे उसको सेफली पहुँचाना, 100% अवेलेबिलिटी देना, सही फ्रेट कॉस्ट प्रोवाइड करना. मतलब आज अगर उसकी कॉस्ट 15% आ रही है या 20% आ रही है, अगर मैं उसकी कॉस्ट कम कर सकता हूँ, नॉट इम्पैक्टिंग माई प्रॉफिट मार्जिन्स ऑल्सो, तो आई थिंक the appreciation or the smile what we get from those shippers, I think those are what we work for, right? So we got these opportunities to talk to our shippers when they appreciate us on these kind of segments.
Chaliye, so from truckers to truck drivers to shippers, an interesting industry which Ashish and Sahil are trying to break through, and we are with them to make it even better, more fruitful, and I'm sure Ashish's numbers are going to grow fast and his client testimonials are going to grow at this stage. Keep watching, keep staying with them. Check out Reroute for more that you can do. I do not know किसको कौन से Uber की जरूरत पड़े, but सबको ट्रक की जरूरत जरूर पड़ने वाली है. And that is when Reroute is going to be a part of your life as much as it is part of us. So let's together make it better for everyone and make our industry of logistics and supply chain more efficient and more technically advanced and transparent for all of us. That was Reroute from Innova office with Ashish and Sahil breaking their ways. Keep connected, stay attached to see what more they are up to. Thank you.
Thank you.